All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have a good one. We have savings for you guys. Father's Day is coming up. Graduation just happened. I actually worked with MacShine again to curate a special little kit, especially coming up for Father's Day. Now, Father's Day is right around the corner, so make sure you hook up your dad and get him something good. And I put together a kit that is incredible. Now, this isn't just for dad. If you just want a fantastic deal on some really good products, then keep watching because it could be a really good fit for you guys too. Now, like I said, I teamed up with MacShine on this deal and curated a bunch of my favorite products, the things that I think would really work for, you know, the average DIYer at home. Like seriously, a crazy good price. They already discounted them down, but if you use my code at checkout, which is just IMJOSHV15, you get an additional 15% off, and it gets you right about 50%, up to about 50% off. Now, there's two different packages we're going to be talking about here, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, package number one is specifically curated by me. Actually, they list it as the name of the bundle, which is really cool. I'm really honored to be able to work with a cool company and kind of collab with them on stuff like this. So everything included in this kit will also be included in the second kit, but the second kit also includes a polisher and some other goodies. So let's jump into it. So before we jump into all the products, I want to talk to you about price. If you're going to order my kit, the IMJOSHV bundle, if you were to order all those items individually, your total would come to $195.88. Well, right now, if you just go onto their website for the IMJOSHV bundle, they already have it discounted down, and they have it listed at $122.98. However, guys, if you use my special code at checkout, IMJOSHV15, it pretty much works site-wide. So whatever you guys want to get, use that code, you'll get 15% off. But that brings it down to $104.53. So sub 105 bucks from 195 bucks, and then you also get free shipping. So that's why I'm giving you that. I'm pushing it a little bit. I know it's not quite 50%, but we are right there. Phenomenal value. Highly recommend it. So let's jump into these products now and take a look. Okay, guys, so for the first item, it's probably outside of the polishers, just on the chemical side, this is probably my absolute favorite chemical from MacShine, and that is their Ultra Foaming Wash. Now, guys, this is a fantastic product. I've talked about this before. It's really, this one and Adam's Mega Foam are my favorite foaming car wash soaps. Just incredible foaming action from this stuff. Really works well. The only negative I had about it previous was that it only comes in a 16-ounce bottle. Well, they actually have a gallon available now on the site, so it's going to bring your cost per ounce down. So all you professionals out there, start looking at this stuff. It's a fantastic product. I really love this stuff. Now, it's only 16 ounces, but I think, I mean, this stuff goes so far because it has such high foaming agents in it. Right here, it actually says use 1 to 2 ounces per gallon in a foam cannon or in a wash bucket. So I think I typically use 2 ounces, but you still get fantastic foam with even 1 ounce. So fantastic product here, the Ultra Foaming Wash from MacShine. Now, to go along with that Ultra Foaming Wash, we are including the MacShine Snowmaster Foam Cannon. I actually did a whole review on this. I'll link it down in the description for you guys. But I really, let's see here, let me just go ahead and pull it out. And the thing that I like about this one, it's got a wide mouth opening, nice wide base, so it's easy to, and stable when you're not using it. It has the ability, you know, obviously you can tighten this down and loosen this up for more foaming action. Just keep it cranked all the way down is how I like to use it. But you have the ability to change the pattern from 0 degree to 40 degree, and then you can also keep turning the back end of it, and you can shoot vertically or horizontally. And a lot of people kind of ask me, well, why do you need to shoot horizontally? And it's just, for me, when you're shooting across the roof of a panel, if you're shooting vertical, a lot of it's shooting over the vehicle. If you change it to horizontal, you get that nice clean coverage. You're not wasting any product. Now, this foam cannon, for me, it does a fantastic job. It's not the highest foaming foam cannon out there, but when you compare this thing, because the quality and construction of this thing is fantastic, and you compare it with the MacShine Ultra Foaming Wash, you're not going to have any complaints, guys. It gets a ton of foam, good quality, has all the features that you want, really good little unit. Now, along with the wash, we also got a nice wash mitt that has a thumb attachment to it. Now, a lot of my videos, guys, you probably have seen, I don't use a wash mitt that often. When I do, I like the fact that you have the thumb, because you're able to kind of get into tighter spots. I use a microfiber towel in most cases. Again, I put this kit together for the DIYer, and this is a fantastic wash mitt. If you do want to use this just as a basic wash mitt or a wash pad and not put your hand in, you can do that. You can just fold this little cuff inside, and then you can use it that way. Okay guys, moving right along. Now you've got your whole car washed, rinsed down, all good to go. You gotta dry it. And we are including a twist loop drying towel. I did a complete video covering the different types of drying towels, waffle weave, just the plush, the twist loop, and the twist loop does the best job. This is 99% of the time when I'm doing cars. This is what I use. This is their new color. So this is the duo where you get one color on one side, another color on the other. I couldn't recommend this thing more. You're gonna get the 20 by 24 inch towel. Should be enough to get around your car, as long as you have like a normal size car. If you have like an old Ford Excursion that's gigantic, you're gonna need to wring that thing out before you're done. But in most cases, the 20 by 24 will get the job done perfectly. Now that your car is all dried down, let's add some protection to the thing, right? And we are including the Max Shine Cherry Wax Spray on Wax. It's called Wild Cherry Speed Wax. Really, really good smell. And you can use that along with one of the two microfiber towels that we're including in this kit. You have the Coral Velvet microfiber towel. This thing is insane. It's an 800 GSM towel. Super soft, super plush. As you can see, it's so plush, you'll get a little bit of linting from it. So just make sure to kind of blast that out a little bit, just shake it around. Perfect for the paint and does just a phenomenal job. You don't have to worry about any sort of mark. It's so thick and plush. You can also keep this in your car and use it as a quick detailer. I really like this stuff for that as well. And what you can do, like if you get a bird dropping, you could use this, blast it off, kind of break it all up, and then you can use this nice plush microfiber towel to wipe it away. Because it's so plush, it's gonna be absorbing all that stuff and keeping your paint safe. Additionally, we also include a 500 GSM microfiber towel, and this one, let me open it up for you here, guys. This one is an edgeless towel. I really like edgeless towels. Again, this is a super plush towel as well. And it is edgeless, meaning it's just a laser cut. There's no rolled over edge or anything like that. And I really, really like that. No tag on it either. Moving right along, guys. While you were washing the car, you should also clean your wheels, right? I know I jumped over that. You got a little wheel brush here. This is actually good for wheels or engines. And it's nice because it's on a metal frame, so you can bend it and you can really get in behind the spokes and all that kind of stuff. Just bends right back and you're good to go. So this is a great little choice. I really like the larger wheel brushes as well, where you're able to get in behind into the barrel of the wheel. The only negative I have about those is a pretty big one in my personal opinion. It's just an annoyance. And basically when you're going through the spokes and you're pulling it back, that brush is so wide that when you pull back, the fingers are hitting the side and it's spraying all the dirt and everything back at you. With a small one like this, you're able to get behind all the spokes a little bit easier and remove it without getting all that splashback. You also get a tire brush. Now, again, they call this the tire brush. I actually also use these on interiors, especially to stripe out my carpets, which some people really, really like. I've had some customers that say, hey, don't stripe the carpets, but in most cases, people really like it. It's a nice stiff bristled brush, nice little handle so you're able to agitate, but basically they call it their tire brush because you can agitate the sidewall of your tire, get that all cleaned up, and then we can go into dressing your tire along with the Max Shine Tire Shine. You need to work this stuff in a little bit more. It's not just it's sprayable, which I love, but it's thicker than some of the other spray-on tire shines. And I really like this one. You do have to work it in a little bit to some of the grooves, but once it's in, it has a super nice finish to it, nice satin finish. You can do multiple layers to increase the gloss. It basically just renews the tire to make it look new again. So fantastic choice here. And to apply that, we're including a 4-pack of tire applicators. Nice little foam block here. So it's a harder, denser foam on the back, which is your handle, and then a nice softer foam that is contoured to fit the sidewall of your tire. So usually what I'll do is I'll take the Tire Shine, spray it into the foam applicator, and then just start working it in. And finally, guys, I don't use this a lot. I personally, just when I'm doing my windows, I typically just use water. 99.9% of the time, I'm just using water. However, I know a lot of people out there like to use a specialized glass cleaner. So I wanted to include that. Again, DIY kit here. I want to appeal to everyone, so we include the Max Shine glass cleaner. This stuff is safe on tint, all good to go there. So if you like using glass cleaner, we included it for you. Okay guys, so for bundle number 2, I'm not going to list everything out here for you guys, but I'll show you a picture of it here. It's basically their dads and grads pack. They put together prior to, I don't know how long it's been around, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something like that, for graduates and all that kind of good stuff. But basically you get everything included in the kit that we just covered. But you also get the new Max Shine M8S V2, version 2, 1000-watt motor. If you have any questions on that, I did a whole review on that thing as well. You also get the all-in-one polish. You get 2 more microfiber towels than were included in this kit. And then you also get a 3-pack of polishing pads, a finishing pad, polishing pad, and a compounding pad. So everything you guys would need. Really good choice, especially if you're just getting into it or you want to get this for your dad as well. This kit, if you were to buy it separately, comes to you $406.81. They have it as the kit listed at $400 originally, discounted down to $319.99. But once again, guys, use code IMJOSHV15 and that will drop it all the way down to $271.99. So you're over $130 of savings from the original price if you were to piece this out individually. So really, really good kits here, guys. Thank you to MaxShine for working with me on this. I think it's super cool to work with you guys. And please, guys, check out the products. I think that's a really good value. I wanted to bring a good value for you guys to be able to get for your fathers, father-in-laws, yourself, whatever else it is. So yeah, just make sure to check out the website and always remember, use code IMJOSHV15. You'll get 15% off anything on there. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.